oh my god, sticker shock. Overshooting stuff. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to talk about liking, commenting, and subscribing to my line about now. And now that I've done that, it's going to be a direct heads up. The Hornady ammunition, $42 plus taxes from the local gun store. And that came as a bit of a shock because I normally use jacketed hollow point PPU 120s, but I could legally use those in BC, but not ethically. I'm a little bit better than that. So it's going to be taking these out. I'm going to use 10 rounds of that to group and 0 and speed test. So later on, I can use the Hornady SST bullets, 123 grain, which it matches what this box is, 6.5, 123 grain SST. So the only difference in mine is it's going to be through 7.62 by 54 or 39 round. That's been reduced, swaged down to the Grendel size, and it'll use a large rifle primer. But in my other videos, you can see it shoots just fine. So because I'm zeroing and grouping it all with half the box of this stuff, I'll be able to match it to this stuff. And I'll be using 8208 XVR, which I believe is one of the better powders for this. I can't get Vitbori, which I think would produce a much better, but that's neither here nor there. Ooh. But yes, yeah, so I'm going to load some of these in a ladder test and see if I can match this stuff. And while doing the ladder test, I'm going to see if I'll go from there.